These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll try to show you some of my trades in real time. My first trade is going to be inside this little demand zone, and also I will explain my trades, okay? So I'm going to take a buy right now, and I have another entry down here in case price comes down, okay? So basically the reason why for taking this trade is a decision point, okay? Decision point for this breakout. We have two decision points here. The first one ignored strongly, and this is the second one that we can have entry, okay? And this is also a demand zone. You know what is a demand zone? It's some kind of engulfing candle or outside bar that is causing a breakout in the decision point. Okay, let me just take a little screenshot of this and put it in my little journal. Come on, okay. Let me just launch this journal real quick. 9:20, I have to, man, I'm sorry. I want everything to be 13,956. Okay, so I just started. I usually start this before starting the session. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, the reason behind this is simply the decision point. The cause of breakout is this demand zone. This is a double bottom, so we know that the bullish movement is coming from the double bottom after touching another demand, okay? So for me, this is a valid demand zone to look for entry in the lower time frame. After after marking the demand zone this way, I go to the lower time frame. First 30 second, then 15 second, then 10 second. Okay, in 10 second, I see this lower time frame entry, okay? This one. Also, there's a lower time frame entry right here, but I entered because of this. Now, if I go back to 1 minute, that's where the market is rejected, okay? And make sure this is on flag mode. If you want to take lower time frame entries, you have to go to lower time frame step by step until you find the supply and demand. Okay, I want to take another small one, okay? 250. Okay, what is this garbage entry? Okay, for the previous trade, we also have this little gap down, and we entered with a crazy margin of safety. Okay, I took this trade because of it being a third touch breakout. Okay, and a gap down in the favor of buyers, and gap down starting from a round number. So yes, we got the green candle, but my entry was pretty late, and we lost this trade because of my entry. Okay. Lost. It was a small trade. Lost. And I note this also. I lost because of my late entry. Entry plays a very significant role. Okay. When it comes to your trades, always try to get into the trade with margin of safety. It will help you a lot. And it's very underrated. Okay. So we have another opportunity for third touch breakout right here after this candle closed. I will remove these low percentage pairs because I just don't want to accidentally take them, and I will always add the high percentage pairs. Yeah. Okay, to be honest, this trade was amazing. Look at this sell trade. It's a third touch breakout and the double doji breakout at the same time. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm waiting for this doji to be broken from downside. This is a demand zone. This is a beautiful trade, man. I'm gonna go for fucking crazy trade on this one. If it gives me the entry, please, man. If it gives me this low, okay, I entered right here for based on this component of rejection first because I want to go a fat trade on this one. This is a beautiful trade after this doji breaks, okay? Let's go. Let's go. It gave me the component of rejection entry. It's before the doji break, but it's fine. This is a beautiful trade, guys. After closing this candle, I still have a chance to take another buy because of the doji breaks will be happening. Okay. Oh my god, that was a wild trade, man. That was a crazy trade. How many trades it was. 4, 5. Yeah, bro. Okay, that was a crazy trade. One of the best trades of the week. Oh shit, I missed this buy, man. I was planning to take this buy as well because the doji break is now happening, right? The doji break is now happening. Imagine. Okay. I'm gonna go small with this one because okay, I go here, small one, on the common point of rejection again. I will also explain you the perfect scenario for this. That was a draw. Okay, that was a draw. I will explain you the perfect scenario for this trade, okay? So, first of all, we are in a ranging market, right? The price has been coming down and going up, touching the order blocks and everything. See, for example, this is the order block. You know, we have multiple order blocks here. Multiple order blocks. Even this one is also order block. I'll mark okay, this one as well. Okay. So I will make these, this color and this one green. So we know that this is a buying order block and these are selling order blocks. What do we call an order block? You see the breakout happened here. Okay, the breakout happened here. Right before the breakout, we do have multiple fair value gaps, right? And then the candle before them is going to be order block. This one is order block and this one is order block. This one is order block, okay? And this is where market will react. After touching this, again, price comes down to find another opposite order block, buying order block, which will be this one. Okay, this zone. And this is the fair value gap for it. It touches this one, again, it goes up to another order block up here. This is another order block, see? It keeps switching between order blocks. After touching this order block, again, it comes down to find another order block. So let's see. We don't have much background in this chart, so we have to just wait. So yeah, the market keeps switching between order blocks. And my particular trade, okay, there was multiple opportunities in this particular chart to take crazy trades. The first one is this one, which I missed. If I draw a line here, you'll see that first touch, second touch, lower low, okay, compared to previous low. See that? First touch, second touch. Third touch is being broken. So this is a third touch breakout setup at the first place. Not only that, it's also, we see some beautiful dojis. This is a doji. You know that when doji breaks from upside, we get the retracement candle. It breaks again, we get the retracement candle. It breaks again, we get the retracement candle. It breaks from downside, we get the retracement candle. Okay? So we see that previously this little doji has worked. Okay? Previously worked. So most likely this time also will work. If I draw the doji line, we break it. So we already expect the red one. That's another reason for taking this trade. Okay? And imagine also adding a common point of rejection or something, right? Just like that. Imagine these candles hasn't happened yet. And that this one has just happened. Okay? And closed above. Now we're aiming to sell this. The moment comes to this zone, this candle starts here, right? It comes up, you enter the trade here, and then it goes down and closes here. So this is another safe place to put your trade on. It's also in line with this previous order block, so it's a selling area to take this trade. So this is an amazing trade, which I missed. The one that I took, okay? The one that I took is this one. Let me draw everything. Okay, we have another common point of rejection down here, right? Maybe it's better to... Okay, I want every rejection to be touched. Okay, we have another common point of rejection right here and also another buying order block, which is buying area, right? This is a buying area for us, meaning we can buy, we can take buys. Now, the price is somewhere here, right? We're aiming to take this current point of rejection trade. Now, what would be the best scenario here is this. We know that this doji is working, right? Unlike this doji has been not working. We know that this doji has been working. So if I draw this, we see this little opportunity here in case we break this, okay? So the best case scenario here would be breaking this doji, not going down to this current point of rejection yet. After breaking this doji, the next candle comes down to the current point of rejection. This way, we could have a crazy big green candle, okay? And this would be the best scenario to take this current point of rejection trade combined with this order block and the doji break. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. The candle came down itself, and it gave us the opportunity to take this current point of rejection, not the doji break, okay? And this current point of rejection is pretty strong. See, so many times it has rejected. And we entered somewhere here, I guess. Yeah, we entered somewhere here with a huge margin of safety. Okay, so that was a huge chance of winning. Now market is reacting from the same order block and it's trying to go up and find another order block and just keeps ranging. There will be a lot of opportunities in this particular pair if I wait, okay? But the thing is, I already took so many good trades. The last one was a draw. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just call it a day for this. And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like. And we took just so many trades, bro. Also, I draw on my every single trade. If you want to use this platform, just link in the description. This is very, very helpful platform. Yes, I did a mistake. I took some late entries. And once you add your little session here, you can just always go back and see what was like, how was your previous session. Was like 16 July. If I was able to see what trades I've taken and also the notes and everything. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, man. If you did, drop a like. Thank you for watching and peace out.